Good evening guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Success Tracker. The first thing most of us see following our wake up will be our mobile phone. In that trance, we surf through the notification waiting us. This simply shows how much we are submerged in the world of internet. The satellite communication was a total game changer and had paved the way for a drastic change in our whole lifestyle. Also, we are sure that this advancement we see today is of course not the end. So let's look at how the world of internet is changing. The history of internet go back to the ARPANET used by US Defense in 1883. When the internet did make a global entry with the TCP or IP protocol was in 1990 with the founding of World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee. This simplified data transfer and thus was a revolution in the communication field. From there, we found various methods for computer network and satellite communication was one such method. Data transfer gained the most efficient phase with the introduction of artificial satellite in the field. The US corporate SpaceX with the introduction of entirely new set of plans invites the world attention. Their notion is to guarantee internet availability in each and every point in the globe. What is SpaceX? To be precise, SpaceX changed the perspective of human on space. The Space Exploration Technologies Corp was started by Elon Musk in California with the intention of making human life feasible in planets other than Earth. It is not unusual to feel the thought busier, but in fact they started making rockets and spacecrafts with the objective of establishing a human colony in the planet Mars. You may remind yourself that the famed rocket Falcon and Dragon spacecraft are the contributions of this SpaceX. The Falcon 1, which was launched in 2008, was the first liquid propellant rocket to be completely built by private funding. The next golden feather in SpaceX is the credit being the first private firm to land a spacecraft in the International Space Station. SpaceX is now researching on reducing the traveling cost to space at least by 1/10. The company has so far signed many MOUs related to space with various government and non-governmental agencies. So, you may now have perceived the operational range of SpaceX. As any startup, SpaceX too was first developed in the mind of a human being. The man was Elon Musk. Elon Musk is one of the most aspiring engineers alive with an innovative mind all over the world. The novel ideas he being forward would undoubtedly feel stranger for others, himself being in the list of world's richest, but spends most of his income in uniquely experimental fields. Musk, being graduate in physics and economics, started a software company Zip2 with the partnership of his brother Kim Bell. With the base laid on Zip2, he conceived various companies like PayPal and the Boring Company. The idea of conveying a common man to space first raced in his brains. He also found the electric car manufacturer Tesla. The latest project of SpaceX is named Starlink. The project supposed to create a satellite constellation similar to that of stars for providing high-speed internet all over the world. As the primary stage, they had succeeded in sending 60 satellites in their reserved positions. They aims to arrange 12,000 satellites in 3 orbital shells, which will make high-speed internet available for lower rates for the commons. It also contemplates the further scope in military, scientific, and trade purposes. Elon Musk approached the Federal Communications Commission with the plan of Starlink in 2015 to inquire of the scope of such a broadband system. Getting positive reply, they could launch the first two test satellites, naming Tintin A and Tintin B in 2018 February 22nd. The satellites weighing almost 250 kg and looking similar to a mini refrigerator that communicates through radio waves and optical links. Persisting satellite communication has a lot of limitations. We usually see in front of us the buffering issues and lagging networks in the peak times due to simultaneous usage by numerous customers. Also, this technology failed in reaching the remote areas. The high-speed connectivity provided by optical fibers but could not satisfy all the needs as the wireless could have. In such a scenario is the entry of Starlink with the claim to eradicate all such issues. The world is advancing rapidly and in the same pace hikes the competition. The world of traveling faced an abrupt full stop due to lockdown throughout the world. This immediately developed a new work culture with the assistance of internet connectivity. So, the rural community lacking connectivity and communication mediums are going to be underprivileged. So, such innovations expecting to give an equal opening to total population must be welcomed. So guys, let's hope for an improvisation. Click the like button below if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for getting notification of our latest videos. Also, share the video and add your valuable comments in the comment box. Thank you for supporting us.